Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. If you're not using retargeting as a marketing strategy, you're missing out. Retargeting your customers can help boost revenue up to 400%. With OptinMonster's cookie retargeting, you can optimize your own on-site audience by fine-tuning your content personalization and offers. You can use the information you already have about your visitors to show special, targeted promotions at just the right time. By showing people promotions they're interested in, you'll reduce abandonment and boost sales. For example, you can use your e-commerce store's cookies to target visitors who have added items to their cart or have already made a purchase. Or if you're using an advanced email marketing solution, you can target subscriber-specific cookies, letting you personalize communications with different audience segments, helping to reduce bounce rate and increase conversions. And when you use cookie retargeting with our signature exit intent technology, your website visitors will always see the right offer at the right time. Cookie retargeting lets you personalize offers depending on where people are in your sales funnel, allowing you to increase both lead generation and sales. So, are you ready to start optimizing conversions from repeat visitors using cookie retargeting? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.